How many times have you looked at the clock and wondered, where did the whole day go? You wake up early. Prepare breakfast. Pack school bags. Clean the kitchen. Rush to work. Help with homework. Cook dinner. Do the laundry. Pick up toys. And before you know it, it's bedtime and somehow the house is messy again. Many parents think they need more time. But what if the real problem isn't a lack of time? What if it's a lack of systems? One thing I've always admired about Japanese family life is that many homes don't rely on huge bursts of effort. Instead, they rely on simple systems that make everyday life easier. Today, I'm sharing 5 parts of the Japanese parenting system that can help you save hours every week, reduce stress, and even save money, without waking up earlier or buying expensive organizing products. If you're new here, welcome to Smart Living Mastery, where we help busy families organize smarter, spend wiser, and live better. If that's the kind of life you're working toward, subscribe, like this video, and let me know in the comments, which part of your day feels the most chaotic. I'd love to hear from you. Now, let's get into it. The daily reset system. One thing that surprises many people about Japanese homes is that cleaning isn't usually treated as one huge event. Instead of waiting until Saturday to spend 4 hours cleaning, many families do tiny resets throughout the day. Think about your kitchen. Imagine washing breakfast dishes before leaving the house. Straightening the cushions before leaving the living room. Returning shoes to the rack as soon as you walk in. Putting toys away before bedtime. Each task only takes a few minutes. But together, they stop mess from building into something overwhelming. This isn't about having a perfect home. It's about preventing small messes from becoming big problems. As a busy parent, this system saves time because you're never starting from zero. Your home stays manageable. Not spotless. Manageable. And that's a huge difference. The one home rule. Have you ever spent 10 minutes looking for your child's shoes? Or the TV remote? Or your house keys? Sometimes we lose more time searching than actually doing the task. Many Japanese homes operate on one simple idea: everything has one permanent home. School bags. Lunch boxes. Charging cables. Shopping bags. Water bottles. When everyone knows exactly where things belong, mornings become smoother. Children also learn responsibility because putting something away isn't a punishment. It's simply part of using it. Think about how much time you could save every week if you never had to ask, "Who moved my keys?" The buy with purpose system. This might be the biggest money saver. Many families spend money not because they need something, but because they can't find what they already own. Another packet of batteries. Another notebook. Another bottle of cooking oil. Another pair of scissors. Sound familiar? Instead of asking, "What should I buy?" try asking, "What do I already have?" Many Japanese households encourage caring for possessions, repairing what still works, and making full use of items before replacing them. This doesn't mean never buying anything new. It means buying intentionally. Less waste. Less clutter. More savings. Imagine how much your family could save over a year by simply avoiding duplicate purchases. If this video is giving you ideas, I'd love to know which one has stood out the most so far. Leave a comment below. And if you're enjoying this content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Smart Living Mastery, because every week we share practical systems that help busy families save time, reduce stress, and make smarter financial decisions. The routine over willpower system. Here's something many busy parents learn the hard way. Motivation comes and goes. Systems stay. You don't have to feel motivated every night to prepare tomorrow's school uniforms. You simply make it part of your routine. You don't wait until you're inspired to plan meals. You schedule it every Sunday. You don't clean only when the house becomes unbearable. You reset it every evening. The more your family follows simple routines, the fewer decisions you have to make every day. And fewer decisions mean less mental exhaustion. That's one of the biggest gifts you can give yourself as a parent. The calm home system. Here's the lesson that ties everything together. Many people think Japanese homes are beautiful because they have less stuff. But I think the real secret is something deeper. They protect peace. Every item has space. Every room has purpose. Every routine reduces stress. When your kitchen counters are clear, cooking feels easier. When the entryway is organized, leaving the house feels calmer. When toys have a home, children can help clean up. A peaceful home isn't about impressing visitors. It's about making everyday family life feel lighter. Because at the end of the day, the goal isn't a picture-perfect house. The goal is more time with the people you love. So today we've learned that the Japanese parenting system isn't really about perfection. It's about creating simple systems that work every single day. Heavy checkmark: reset your home before the mess grows. Heavy checkmark: give everything one permanent home. Heavy checkmark: buy with purpose. Heavy checkmark: build routines instead of relying on motivation. Heavy checkmark: protect the peace in your home. When these small systems work together, they don't just save minutes. They save hours. Hours that can be spent laughing with your children, enjoying dinner together, reading a bedtime story, or simply taking a well-deserved break. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which of these 5 systems are you going to try first? Tell me in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with another busy parent, and subscribe to Smart Living Mastery for more practical ideas to help you organize smarter, spend wiser, and live better. And remember, a peaceful home isn't built in one weekend. It's built through small, intentional systems repeated every day. I'll see you in the next video.